What's good, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. R. Ray Ortiz, and what we doing here is an unboxing, right? We're gonna see what we got here. A little early bird special. Let's see what we got in here. Air Force Ones. One of my favorite pairs of sneakers, Air Force Ones. I probably have over 30 pairs of just Air Force Ones. So here's another one to the mix. Ooh, early bird special. These don't come out till Friday. Look at that. These are fire. Look, these are fire. I'm happy. I'm happy with these Air Force Ones, the Lolas. Shout out to Flight Club. Fuego. Fuego, 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 fuego.